This is my most expensive Air Jordan 1 purchase ever. I spent a lot of money on this pair of Air Jordan 1s. This Air Jordan 1 is a grail for me, and I'm sure it's a grail for a lot of you out there as well. This Air Jordan 1 had a lot of controversy around the release. The price was always high. It actually went up after release and then tanked hard after release, after the hype died down. I owned a few pairs of this Jordan 1. I did trade one of them. I still have one left, my personal pair, that I will be keeping and putting on my feet. I do believe this Air Jordan 1 will be even more expensive than they are now in a few years from now. This is a coveted Air Jordan 1, a Grail Jordan 1, a fire, straight fire Air Jordan 1. Make sure you guys hit that thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel. We're on the road to 100,000 subscribers. And make sure you guys get your giveaway entries in for a free pair of Mocha Air Jordan 1s. All you guys need to do is hit that thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment down below. Let me know your size in the Air Jordan 1 Mocha. For a bonus entry, you can follow me on Instagram at DannyMoore2369 and DM me proof that you did everything. This giveaway ends in just a few days, so make sure you guys get your giveaway entries in for a free pair of Mocha 1s. This is my personal worn pair. Don't worry, the winner is going to receive a free, brand new dead stock pair. If you see any comments down below in the comments saying message me on Telegram, WhatsApp, it is not me. It is a scam. My email and my social media links are always in the description of the videos. That's the only way that you guys can get in contact with me and the only way I will ever reach out to the giveaway winner. Guys, watch out. There's scammers down below in the comments of my videos. Please do not get scammed. Do not send anyone money. I will not ask you guys for money. My giveaways are always 100% free. Before we take a look at my most expensive Air Jordan 1 in my sneaker collection, the most expensive Air Jordan 1 I've ever bought, I need to tell you guys about Sole Premise. Sole Premise makes the best sneaker bags in the game. They actually have compartments, check this out, to hold your sneakers when you're traveling. I have my Lightning 4s and a pair of Jordan 1 lows in there as well. I also have room for my laptop, clothes, more room as well in the front of the bag. Plenty of space in every Sole Premise bag, and every bag will hold your sneakers. They have backpacks, duffel bags, luggage bags. Every Sole Premise bag is made to hold your sneakers. There's actual compartments to store your sneakers when you're traveling. Make sure you guys click my link down below in the description. Check out Sole Premise and use my discount code DannyMoore. That's going to give you 40% off your entire order from SolePremise.com. You guys are going to find a bag that you're going to fall in love with the link down below. 40% off using my order. It's going to make the bags very, very affordable, and they hold your shoes. Make sure you guys check them out. Link down below. Thank you, Sole Premise, for sponsoring today's video. Now let's get back to it. I have to show you guys these fire, straight fire, very expensive Air Jordan 1s. Alright guys, so this is where I usually record. On the right side of me, I have some shelves, and on the left side I have some shelves. You guys will see that in a second as well. Well, here's where I keep usually my most expensive shoes, my Grails, things that are like really expensive and coveted. Well, at the top, we have Travis's. We're not going to be taking a look at those today because I actually have shoes that are worth more than Travis Scott's, and those are dead stock. Not a Jordan 1. Not a Jordan 1. Off-Whites, 5s, not a Jordan 1, and we got some Kobe's. I got to put something down there. Definitely need to add a shoe down there. I'm not sure what yet. Now, coming on the other side, we have some Yeezy Wave Runners, some cool gray 11s, Off-White Dunks, Travis Scott 4s. Ooh, we got the Travis Scott Fragments. But I have a shoe worth more than these as well, and it's at the top. I'm going to pull it down, and let's take a look at this fire, straight fire Air Jordan 1 that is very expensive. The most expensive Air Jordan 1 I've ever bought. I spent $2,000 on the Air Jordan 1 trophy room. This is the most expensive Air Jordan 1 I've ever bought. I bought 2 pairs of Trophy Room 1s before the actual release, quote-unquote release, because we all know the controversy behind that release. But yeah, I wound up copping 2 pairs. I spent $4 grand on 2 pairs, $2,000 each. I later on traded the other pair on Trade Block. Make sure you guys give me a follow on Trade Block. I'll pop up a picture on screen. Let me know if you guys think I won that trade or did I take an L on this trade. So I traded the size 11. I kept the 10.5. I can wear either one, and I have pair number, check that out, 930 of only 12,000 pairs in the world. Now the Trophy Rooms come with extra laces. Let's talk about the laces. Black laces on the shoe. They come with white and red laces. I unfortunately do not have the blue laces. Blue laces were friends and family. Marcus Jordan later on added them onto the shoes after they were all backdoored, of course. So yeah, I do not have the blue laces. I am looking for the blue laces, a real pair. Only a real pair of blue laces. I don't want like a fake pair. So if you have the blue laces, give me a follow on Instagram, DannyMoore2369. DM me, say, Danny, I got the blue laces for your Trophy Rooms, and maybe I could buy them off you. Definitely want some blue laces. Would I wear the blue laces in them? Possibly. I'm not sure. I will be wearing these. One day I will wear them. And on the bottom, because of that icy bottom, I'm gonna put Drip Grip Sole Protectors to protect the bottom, keep that bottom fresh, and keep it icy, in good condition, even when I wear the sneaker. Make sure you guys go cop your Drip Grip Sole Protectors for the bottom of your shoes. Link down below. Use my code Danny10. That's gonna give you 10% off your order. The Trophy Rooms come in this blue box, which is really nice, a nice switch up. You got stars all around the box. You got a nice design on the inside lid of the box. And of course, you cannot forget about the ticket. The Trophy Room Jordan 1s come with this Trophy Room ticket, kind of like to mimic how you would get a ticket going to a basketball game. So the packaging is fire. The story is insane. The Trophy Room freeze out when Michael Jordan was apparently froze out of the game. They didn't pass him the ball. That is one crazy story. And they gave us the Chicago colorway with this freeze ice effect all over the red. Really, really nice. And you do have the Michael Jordan signature there on the back, a black Wings logo, and then of course your Nike Air there on the tongue. On the back of the tongue, you got the date, February 10th, 1985. And on the other one, I already showed you guys, they're numbered. Of course, I have pair 930 of 12,000. Rumor has it on the inside stitch, very, very nice. And check out that insole. Very nice detailing there on the insole. Now, why in the world did I spend $2,000 on the Trophy Room Air Jordan 1? Well, multiple reasons. First of all, there's only 12,000 pairs. That alone is worth some money. It's a Jordan 1. It's the Chicago colorway with a nice twist on it. I like that it's, you know, a vintage look on the midsole, the cream midsole, sail midsole. It's a twist on the regular Chicago Jordan 1 with Trophy Room, Michael Jordan's son's store that owns a store, which is awesome as well. So I had to have them, man. They're definitely a grail and a must-have for my personal sneaker collection. I think they were worth spending the $2,000 on. Now this, as of now, is my most expensive Air Jordan 1 purchase, but the point of me making this video is because I want to top this. So, if you have the Union Jordan 1s in the black toe colorway, I think they're going for around $2 grand on StockX. Hit me up, I'm looking for them in a 10.5 or an 11. I'm also looking, believe it or not, for the Dior Jordan 1 Low. That right there will be my most expensive sneaker I've ever purchased, ever. So if you have Dior Jordan 1 Lows, hit me up on Instagram. I'm looking really for the Diors more than the Unions. I definitely need the Dior Jordan 1 Low. That's the main point of me making this video. I need to show you guys, hey, I spent $2 grand on the Trophy Rooms, but I'm looking to top this with the Dior Air Jordan 1 Low. I don't mind spending a lot of money on Jordan 1s, and there's a few reasons why. First of all, it's one of my favorite silhouettes. I love the Air Jordan 1. I always have. I've had Jordan 1s since I've basically been into sneakers back in 2010. I've always had Jordan 1s. I love Jordan 1s. They're actually some of my most worn sneakers. But not only that, they last a long, long time. Let me give you guys an example. If you have 1985 Air Jordan 1s, they're most likely still wearable to this day. You don't need a sole swap. You don't need to do much. The leather might crack here and there, but you don't need to do much to them. The midsole is good. The outsole is good. They last a long, long time. So I don't mind spending a lot of money on Jordan 1s when I know the sneaker's gonna last me 20, 30 years. Versus something with a painted midsole, like a Jordan 3 a 4, a 5, 6. They don't last that long because of the painted midsole. It will eventually crack and crumble. So as far as, you know, longevity wise, the Jordan 1 is really it. They will last a very long time. And that's why I'm cool with spending a lot of money on, well, the Air Jordan 1. I love my Air Jordan 1s, and I am so happy that I have the trophy room Air Jordan 1s in my sneaker collection. I paid $2,000 for them. This right here is my most expensive Air Jordan 1 purchase ever. The Trophy Room Jordan 1 is my most expensive Air Jordan 1 purchase ever. I want you to leave a comment down below and let me know your most expensive Air Jordan 1 purchase. Free Mocha 1 giveaway. Make sure you guys hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment down below. Let me know your size in the Mocha Air Jordan 1. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys. Make sure you guys give me a follow on Instagram at DannyMoore2369 and DM me proof that you did everything for a bonus entry on the Mochas. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you guys join the Moore family. Hit that subscribe button. Smash that like button. We're always on the grind. We're never gonna stop. Always dropping that fire. Straight fire. Thank you guys so much for watching.